Bro, not gonna lie, I am just super tired of not doing the things that I really want to do. So, I guess this is fuck it. Welcome to my channel. Well, the first thing that I've always experienced in life is, I consider myself to be super hardworking, but I never really do anything for myself. Like, I don't really reward myself, and getting into 2025, that was like one thing that I really wanted to change up. That's exactly what I did. I'm flying to Bangkok tomorrow. I just booked the flight tickets and we're going to watch VALORANT Masters in Bangkok. All the top 4 matches that are happening. It's gonna be super good. So yeah, I fly out tomorrow. Super spontaneous. My camera has been sitting over there on my tripod for the past 2 months. Like I didn't really pick it out, and that was crazy to me. When I first got the camera, I was super excited and I wanted to do everything that I could with the camera, but then I kind of gave up on it. So I'm gonna be shooting a lot of stuff and I'm gonna be working there as well, because I am a full-time creative too. So I kind of do stuff while I move as well, kind of like a digital nomad. Hope you guys enjoy the ride. It is currently 2:19. I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. Like I was working yesterday, so I couldn't like pack my own bag. I already had my luggage sorted out, so that's not really a problem. Now I'll show you what I pack every single time that I go out, because I work as a full-time creative as well, so these things are quite essential to me. First of all, I'll show you guys the bag that I use for all of my travels. So I use this bag. This is from Wildcraft. I think it's called Shatterbug. I have like a smaller version of this bag as well, which does not have like this bottom pocket, but I really like this bag. So yeah, this is the bag that I use. I'll quickly show you what gear I pack every single time I go out. I carry my MacBook every single place that I go, because, well, you have to work, right? So, and then for media consumption on flights and all, and for note taking, I carry my iPad Pro. Super essential. I like to sketch out some stuff as well, so I just use that. And this is like pretty much all of my gear. Like I travel with this, and I also have like Parsec installed on my PC, so I can access it anywhere in the world just through internet. So that's really cool. That's why I just carry these 2 things inside my bag. Let me show you. So I carry all of these stuff. So I have my 24-70 lens. I have a couple of 1 ND filter and 1 polarizer in here. I have my GoPro right over here, and then I would just have my camera in this pocket, and then my toothbrush and other things right over here. My mic, so I use the Holyland Lark M2 for like shooting outdoors. Super good mic, plus it offers 2 mics as well, so if I need an extra mic, I just have it on hand. So this is like really cool. Alright, so that's as far as what my gear like accumulates. Now I have to book an Uber and actually head to the airport. I'll see you guys in the cab once I'm done wrapping all this thing up in my room. Reached Bangkok. It was a complete shit show. Reason being, well, firstly, I went to the airport late. Secondly, my flight got delayed by 2 hours, which was a boon, by the way, because I wouldn't have made the airport otherwise. It was like not at all possible. There was no way I was like doing all the immigration and everything in like 40 minutes. I did land like around an hour ago, so I've been just roaming around the airport. I had a bit of food, and yeah, it's been quite good. I'm just heading to my place, and I'm not going to do anything right now. I'm just going to go sleep. You guys can enjoy it, just the views. It's 6:30 in the morning, and my check-in is at 2 p.m. So I just kept my stuff there, and I'm heading right to 7-Eleven, because first things first, I need to get a SIM card. I don't have one right now. I just faced the weirdest shit. So you have to show your passport to get a like SIM card here, right? They were trying to like verify my passport with scanning my face, and because I've grown a beard and my photograph is from like back in 2019, apparently my face has changed a lot. Everybody was laughing. I was laughing as well. And then at the end, I asked her, she's like, no, this can't happen. I'm like, then what? Can I not get a SIM card anywhere? As a last ditch attempt, so she basically clicked the photograph of my passport and then scanned the photograph of me on my passport. And that worked. Hey, I'm not complaining, bro. I've been walking for like 3 kilometers now.
A few moments later.
I've been like looking around places where I can visit, because I didn't plan anything. As I told you, this was a complete spontaneous thing. And here I am sitting in Bangkok, learning about what to visit in Bangkok. Because I didn't do any research before that. And I just booked the flight. So there's this like night cruise that goes over the lake. So I'll probably go there. This is the place that I booked. It's called Meta Space Pod. It's alien themed. It's a hostel in which they give you like pods like this one. Alright, welcome to my pod. I'm speaking slowly because all the people are around me, so I don't really want to like wake them up or something. But this is what I booked. This is like a small space themed pod. I'll show you guys around like how it looks, but it's actually like quite good because like you have every single thing that you need. Although one thing that I'm really disappointed about is there's no socket inside this thing. I don't know why. Apart from that, it's like really cool. It's very spacious as well. Like I'm tall, right? But oh shit. I got a foot massage, by the way. Super great foot massage. Although I'm really tender in my hands because the lady that did my massage was brutal. I wanted to do something tonight because I'm free tonight and I don't really want to waste it. So I'll be heading to this place. I don't really know how to name this place. Asiatic, the riverfront. So I'll be heading there. I just looked it up right now. So firstly I need to change up because I'm super like, I'm just wearing this thing for the past 36 hours and it's really sweaty. To go have some dinner first, but then I just found this park that's outside, and I mean the outside of my hotel is actually quite good because it's like in the center of the city, so like, everything is very lively. People are just roaming around. There are very cool lights that you can shoot by. So I mean I don't know what I'm gonna do. I was planning to go to the Ferris wheel thing, but I mean I still have time. It's open till like 11, so I'll just probably go ahead head to UOB Live. There is the venue. So that building over there is where all the matches are going to be held. And I'm staying at like in this alleyway, so just behind the thing, that's where I'm staying at currently. But yeah, I mean it's a very good place for digital nomads to be very honest with you. I am actually thinking about shifting here, not gonna lie. I went inside the UOB Live thing, and it was actually quite cool. I got like takeaway. I'll show you guys how the boat ride is because I think it's gonna be like quite cool. I woke up, I took a fucking shower. Finally, I didn't take one last night because I was too tired to sleep, lying in bed till like 3 a.m. in the morning. So now I'm gonna head out and have lunch as well. I'm leaving my bag and my camera and everything over here because I don't think they allow it in the venue. So today is the first match. Today is knockouts. So I'll see you guys once I leave my capsule and tidy up my belongings. Alright, so I'm all decked out. I just tied my jacket in case it is like too cold. The AC is too cold in the venue, so it's a good day. I feel really fresh. Like I just had a like very hot water bath. I really like it because my body was sore, bro. Yeah, yesterday that massage girl, she did like whatever the fuck my legs, and then I was like sore. Like the morning I woke up I was just sore, and now I take a bath and everything is just like making sense. Drinking my here from outside, so it is way cheaper. So I wanted the yellow girl here. I mean, I was in love till now. You want mini but not rolls. I'm gonna head upstairs. See if there's some merch or something.
There's a very cool stall nearby which shows all the things. That's nice. But I didn't bring my camera. Also, my AirPods are discharged. I have no clue how. I charged them yesterday night, but they're not discharged. That's real sad.
Alright, so I'm heading back to my place. Day 1 was actually pretty amazing. I had a lot of fun. We enjoyed a lot. I made a couple of friends there. Super nice people. Now I'm heading to my place because I've already had dinner and I'm super tired. So I'm just gonna go sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So we finished like day 1 of all the matches. I won that small keycap thing. Wait, let me show you guys. Very common here in Bangkok, but it's like Valorant theme. It's like a sniffer. That does not sound good. I won this actually in 1v1s. So we're doing 1v1s for HP and Omen, so I won this. I was super fun. I have some work to do, so I probably should get to that. I edit a couple of videos and then sleep, and then tomorrow we will get back to watching matches. I don't know if I've mentioned this or not, but I'll not be working like on my MacBook itself. I work on my desktop back home because that's much more powerful and that has like all of my accounts logged in. I don't have to do anything and I get my work done super quick. That's why. So let me just finish up these 2 videos and then we'll be sorted and I can go to sleep.
So currently I'm at the Hemisphere. I'm in the prayer room right now. So today is something meet with Tarek as well there. So I'll be heading to the Valor lobby. Hopefully I get to see and meet Tarek and get a signature because I'm a huge fan, man. He's a cool guy. It's like seeing you on stream. It's crazy. Yeah.
I look the same or
Yeah. Nah, you look cool like a person, bro. Inside my bag as well.
No, it's W Man's.
Oh, bro, what's the God sense right now?
God sense. It might be a Choo-Choo sense.
Choo-Choo sense?
Yeah, that's what I'm...
It's really?
I might switch to that.
Yeah. Can you write bad chest as well? Bad chest?
Bad chest?
Yeah. Yeah, I saw Choo-Choo, bro. He was crazy. He was going crazy.
He's going crazy for that. Let's go, brother. Oh, shit. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah!
Alright, so after wrapping up today, it's been crazy. Like the 3 matches that we watched, it's so much good. I can't really explain it because I'm at notice about to give out. I met Tarek and Tim both. I got their signature too. And I met my new friend, Dean, over here. So, yeah. Dean is from Perth, right?
What?
Yeah, Dean's from Perth. And the other guy just went. Stephen just went home, I think. He's having dinner and then sleeping. So what are you planning to eat? Are you gonna do something then? Today, right now. No, I'm probably just gonna eat, go home and sleep. I have a plan. I think I might go to a gaming cafe. Oh yeah? Yeah. Because it's very cheap here. It's like 50 bahts for 3 hours. Free? Yeah. Actually, free then. Yeah, you can search it on the map. One is very close. I think it's 15 minutes from here.
Alright, today marks the final day of the event. I'm heading to the venue right now, and the best thing is I got what I really wanted. I got signatures from both Tarek and Fens. Just heading to the venue. My guy Stephen is waiting there, so I'll probably go see him, and that'll be pretty much all.
I want to thank you. High fucking game. High fucking game. High fucking